Okay, guys, finally made it in the air.
Right up in the
Yeah, we're not that high.
Not that high.
But guys, as you can see, let me turn at the back and show you guys the extent to which vehicles going crazy, man. That's to tell you. Look at there. We're coming back. This is where we are. Right there. Guys, Roseau is jam-packed. There's hardly like any. You see it passing over? Okay, cool. There's a plane in the air though. It indicates, look at there, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, not too high, not that high at all. But yeah guys, I just showing you what Roseau looks like. Definitely. Yeah guys, Roseau, man, Roseau. It's crazy. I just want to see, you know, what it looks like from the sky. Vehicles up and down, all over, people like crazy. Let me slow down, I'm going to do us. Okay, cool. Man, this is crazy. Guys, we are literally in Roseau, man.
You're right over there, my brother.
Yep.
What happened here? We signal too far.
No, because we by the buildings, you see. Avoid blocking antenna, you see.
Right where you came in,
But right by the stadium, we. I can make. Let's see if we can go by the building there because we think time the weak signals. So I have to go higher. Yeah, I going higher, guys. We're gonna try and go down by Bayfront. Yes, sir. Guys, vehicles, everybody coming to shop, everybody coming to free up themselves.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Maximum. I have to change that thing, you know. I vex with that thing, you know. No, because it always tell me maximum flight altitude. Oh, look the cruise ship boat. Let me go by the cruise ship. No way, they gotta shut that down.
What's going on?
I'm going to swing out and come back in. Guys, I'm gonna swing around the boat and come back in. I wonder if I turn off my thing. I have to make sure I turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay, cool. Much better. Nope, no Bluetooth. Satellites. Yep, guys. I heard the boat making some noise earlier on. I guess it was going, but it looked still like tie to the thing. So I'm gonna go around it, guys. Hey, I should just fly on top it. Hey, okay, let me fly on top it.
You have steam coming from it.
Huh?
You have hot air coming from it.
Hot air?
Like steam coming from this stuff.
I guess. Why not can fly?
Right ready, man.
Everybody go. Oh, look, them people partying over there. Oh, them people partying themselves.
Which direction you
go? Go by Bayfront.
Let's go.
Yeah. It's crazy. Looks pretty cool though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Hello. Hey,
Who?
Niano! Niano!
That picking you up, we.
For real?
Yes.
What's up?
But look, party. Guys, let me come down on that boat. Whee! Look at all those people there. Look at their party. Yes, I. So they have all the party on the boat and they coming down. I wonder who is the DJ?
He's staying on your boat, you're not coming out.
No, they don't seem so. Let me make myself available right there.
Everything.
Whee! Look at the people them by.
Have you enjoying your Christmas? Nice.
Yes, have fun, people. Have fun, Papa. I can reverse him, but I don't know what at the back of me. Let me go higher, guys. I'm losing signal. But man, I get copyright to it.
But I pick up all that.
Oh yes, I tell you we picked up all what we saying.
You don't get copyright for that.
Yeah, I will get copyrighted, trust me. Look this team you're talking about there, eh? Look this team you're talking about there.
Yeah, exactly.
People playing the basketball there, we boy. What is that, boy? Hey, the boat even have a lawn on it there, we boy. Wow, that's I see your father. Anyways, let me get back Roseau. Let me go back Roseau. Yeah. So this is like that area. Yeah, we're making it, guys. We're making it. I figured I would do it that way because just look, we're still driving. Nice to tell you. We're still driving. And look, the thing tell me weak signal. Yeah, guys. So this is. I don't know what this is.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Thank you.
Alright, sure you can go higher than what you're telling you.
Yeah, I can go higher.
But just give me a warning, you know?
Yeah.
Because, you know, if you get too excited.
Okay, we coming around where we are. Are you stopping?
No.
Are you parking there?
What do you suggest?
Okay, well, if there is a parking, take the parking, my brother. Take the parking. Boy, man, you make me get copyrighted inside there. Boy. Like, let me go back by KFC. Because I know it are plenty of people like KFC.
Go back by KFC.
Yeah. There's the whole line for KFC. Papa. There's the whole line for KFC.
Rain coming, Nicholas.
Rain coming on? Let me bring that back, eh? It showed the plane and then all of a sudden just start to turn. I don't know why I do that.
Interference.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm going back on Bayfront. Not Bayfront. Now that is going back to Roseau. So guys, this is just showing you a little of what Roseau is like. You know, if you guys get to see it, I would have come down closer, but there's too much buildings. They will put a blockage on my signal. Yeah. In the air.
No sun, but you can see still.
But mind you make me, you still put that. Boy. Okay, I come back, Papa. I come back. Just take my bag going on the Bayfront. Is that the bag there? Guys, I don't know what he drew. Oh, look, I seen it. There's a lot of people. Oh, I know what I can do. I just gonna pass it on the edge because it seems like there's a lot of people. Lots of people there. People relaxing, you know the usual. They normally put these things for tourism. Okay guys, I think I did enough today. I think I did enough today. Just showcasing what, you know, Roseau has. There's to be a lot more people though. I don't know, where am I? Okay, I see myself. Anyways, guys.